Cat's ear plant is often confused with a dandelion, but still, both are edible and have medicinal values. All parts of the plant are edible. According to some sources, cat's ear is grown as greens in Japan and Greece. Leaves which are high in antioxidants are rather bland tasting and definitely not as bitter as dandelion leaves, and can be added to salads raw or steamed, sautéed, or boiled. To improve their flavor, plunge them in cold saltwater bath. Roots, just like with dandelions, are used to make coffee substitute. Bigger roots can also be eaten steamed. Stems, especially with flower buds, can be sautéed like asparagus. Flowers are high in lutein and carotenoids, which are beneficial for eye health and can be used in salads, sandwiches, or soups. According to other sources, cat's ear may help digestion, blood sugar levels, and may be detoxifying.